What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I've got another video here for you today. This is another oop from Miguel. Thanks a lot, Miguel, for throwing me a shoe to do a review on for some content for the YouTubes. And next, a word from my sponsor, Jesus. Jesus was hanging on the cross in Matthew 27, verse 46, and he looked up to God and he said, my God, why have you forsaken me? Jesus led a perfect life, and God was forsaking him anyway. Why did he do that? Because in Hebrews 13:5 it says that God will never leave us or forsake us, or leave me or forsake me. And it's only because I trust and believe that Jesus took all the forsaking for me so that I don't have to take it. Thank you, Jesus. So this shoe, first, giveaway. I'm not sure when you're going to see this video. The giveaway may have already happened. If it happens quick, then, I mean, it could. We can get to 2,000 subs really quick. But this is just a sample of some of the shoes that might be in the giveaway. And I just need you to go back to those videos or watch these videos and comment on them and say, that's the shoe for me. Keep that for the giveaway because I'm absolutely going to be in this giveaway. We got a Yeezy 450. We got a Court Purple Dunk Low. We got a Light Chocolate Dunk High. And the Georgetown 1 High 85 cut. I'm doing this video. I'm recording this video the day before this shoe even releases. I've got it here. I already made the video. Not a whole lot of comments, people talking about the giveaway, but there's a whole bunch of giveaway details on this video, so go watch this video to get more details. There will also be a live very soon. Might even have already been live by the time you'll see this video, so check that out too. But if we're close to 2,000 subs or right around 2,000, then the giveaway's probably live. Check it out. All right, he's shown me this. Miguel has shown me these shoes a couple of times, and after throwing me like 8 or 10 others, I finally got to these. And I didn't even know these existed. I don't know what they're called, so we're going to put them up here, maybe. Show the StockX, how much they're going for. This is size 10.5.
I wish me and Miguel were the same size.
He wouldn't let you wear them. I don't wear his shoes.
We do
pretty much wear the same size, and I don't wear them.
He might let me wear them.
He might what?
Miguel, comment down below if you'd let me wear your shoes. Okay. If we were the same size.
All right, he'll definitely answer. So I don't know what the common name or the name that people are calling this is. I didn't know it existed. It's a pretty cool colorway. Probably not one that I would wear, but it is cool and I like it and I want to see it. What?
You wouldn't wear that?
You haven't seen the shoe yet.
Boy. Yes.
Colorway. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro colorway. White, black, bright crimson. Again, size 10.5. This retailed for $190. But he did not pay $190 because back in these days, these things were going on sale after sitting on shelves because people didn't want to buy them. Ooh, okay, yeah, I would. Yeah, I call it when I talk to him and when I ask him about these, I call them the orange ones, and I guess it's orange, but kind of not orange.
I just love fours. They're just so cute.
I do, man. This leather, so it's similar to the leather that's on the white Oreos, but better. When was this produced? This one was produced. You have already known because I would have put it up with the StockX stuff. You'll have already known because we put it up with the StockX stuff when it released. But it was created or produced, manufactured between September 2018 and December 18. So it was so this released in early 2019. This is how recently these shoes were just sitting on shelves and not reselling for anything. Instead, they were going on sale. So, you got the close-up of the... Oh man, you can feel it too, like it's actually spattered on there. On the wings and on the midsole. That is spattered or flung paint. Like that. It's flung. Does that make sense?
Wait, do it again? Yeah. Yeah.
It's flung.
Like it's, yeah.
It's definitely not an OG colorway, so you only get a Jumpman on the back. You don't get the Nike Air. Orange. See, it's just that this color, orange or red, crimson, whatever it is, it's just not my color. It's similar to the, let's see, it's bright crimson. The Red Thunders, that was crimson, and I didn't really like it. I saw somebody wearing those shoes today, and I do kind of regret getting rid of them, but I like them, but not enough, you know?
Yeah.
These are pretty cool. They're heavy, like most fours, but Miguel keeps a lot of stuff in his shoes. He also pointed out to me, he showed me some of his crease protectors that were in his shoes. I mean, I had all his shoes here, a bunch of them here, including ones that had crease protectors. I didn't even know they had crease protectors. They're like a foam piece. Not a hard plastic piece, but a foam piece that has some adhesive on it. You push it up there and stick it in to help with creasing, because these are old shoes and they're not creased. Not badly, at least. But this leather, man, this is nice leather. We just don't get this kind of leather on them anymore. Did you get a good shot of the cut?
Of what?
The cut of the leather.
Oh, the cut of the leather.
Beautiful. I really wish that these were new. You see, he puts dryer sheets in there to keep them fresh.
I need to do that. I really do. My feet smell terrible sometimes.
But like, I have to fight myself from smelling. Like, no, these have been on Miguel's feet. I don't want to do that.
I still want to do that. Just because there's a dryer sheet in there.
So, otherwise, I mean, it's just a 4. There's nothing that special to it, but it's a nice shoe. And seeing these older builds, older iterations of the retros that we all love now, that sell out instantly. 4s sell out instantly.
Sadly, I wish nobody liked 4s.
The $200 Red Thunders that were the last 4s that came out, they're reselling for over $300. I think the grade school had a higher margin. Like, I made $120 a piece off y'all's grade school pairs that I had, and just a little bit less on my pairs.
The Red Thunders were like mainly black. They're like the little. Oh yeah, I didn't like those very much. Really? I liked them. I really did.
You were like, oh, I want to keep them.
Because I did, but then I started seeing people wearing them, and I was like, ew.
Yeah.
Those are kind of ugly.
But when I see them on people's feet, I like them.
I don't like them on girls' feet.
Yeah.
It just looks weird. And I'm like, ew.
I mean, I
don't like those.
I think 4s in general maybe don't go as good on girls because they're big.
Yeah, I agree.
I didn't
still
think I was
like
gonna
them
like
a lot.
5s, but I like when Hester wears those Moonlights.
Moonlight. Oh, the ones I don't
Black
like.
ones.
Yeah.
So, thanks again, Miguel, for letting us have these old favorites, old new favorites in, helping me understand what I'm missing. It's different, so it's not mine, and it's not something I hit on. When I get a shoe that I hit on, like this one, but I didn't really want the shoe. I didn't really like it that much to begin with. I like it more now that I've seen it. But let's see, what was the last one that I was like really like? The Cool Grays. I hit on those, and I wanted them, and I hit on them early. And I was super excited to unbox them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you were.
Yeah, I was super excited.
And the patent breads.
And
don't even know. You
Okay,
made 15 videos about this. We
I
know you were
that was
excited.
just for the vibes. I wasn't that. I was excited that I got them, but I don't. Okay, I was excited that I hit on so many. I was excited that I hit on so many. Yeah, because I got. Yeah, well, I hit on a lot of both of them.
You had like 17 pairs of those things.
No, I had 17 pairs of Cool Grays, not patent breads.
Both.
But opening these shoes just to know what I could have been opening with all that hype 4 years ago is pretty cool. And they're not mine, and they're not new. I can't sniff them, or I won't sniff them. And I didn't hit on them, so they don't hit the same for me when I open them. But I do really like seeing them, and it's also different. Oh, but here's the comparison. So that's all like ultra hype when you hit on a pair that's gonna be hard to get that you really really want. You hit on it, you get it here, you open it up, and there's just a whole lot of excitement, right?
Right.
If it's a pair that I kind of want, there's a little bit of excitement.
Mm-hmm.
And if it's a pair of an old pair that somebody has that they're just giving to me to review, I haven't ever seen them before, I'd probably be kind of excited. But having these here, like if I saw these on the shelf at Memory Lane, I'd be like, yeah, okay. But having them here in my hand, not covered in plastic, but having them here also is a little bit more exciting.
Yeah. Not
just going to the store to look at them. Yeah. So I appreciate Miguel for that. I think he's still got some more. Actually, he had Royal Toe highs. We looked at his Royal Toe highs the other day. He's got biohacks too, but I've got those. I still haven't even made a video just on the biohacks. So
I don't think anyone's gonna be getting that one anytime soon. Ever.
Not anytime soon. No, I'll probably make it, but every time that I'm a little worried that I'm running out of content, like I just
boom,
this flood of favor. Thanks for being here, y'all. Smash that like button. Make sure you've checked out and are entered into the giveaway if it's actually live yet, but at least check it out and make sure that you know the details, you're ready for it, so that you can get in, because the MVS, the most valuable sub, is the person that shows that they're consistently engaged in my content, and the best way that I know how to gauge that is by your comments. So make sure that you've checked that out. Smash that like button on this video, especially if you like these bright crimson Jordan 4s from 2019 that were made in 2018. Your grandma might like these, so make sure that she knows. And I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!